Insurance is obviously super important. There's a bunch of different types of insurance. Liability insurance is kind of what we think of mostly when we think of insurance, meaning that if they mess up and they cause damage to other parts of your property while they're working on it, that they have insurance that's going to cover that. But workers' comp insurance is extraordinarily important. And I know for people who have units in condominium associations who might hire a smaller contractor, sometimes the state will allow you as a small business, a small contractor, to not have workers' comp insurance. You're allowed to have an exemption. There's a lot of associations who won't let you hire a contractor who has an exemption because the association wants to see that they have workers' comp insurance in case one of their workers gets hurt. Workers' comp, you can find out any contractor's workers' comp insurer by looking online with the Florida Department of Financial Services. There's also something called professional liability, and that's for anyone who does any type of design work. And usually you think about an architect or an engineer. But there's a lot of contractors out there who promote themselves as design-build contractors, right? So they're one-stop shop is how they sell it to you. That you come in, we'll design your project, and then we'll build it for you. Well, there's a design component, which is what professional liability is for. And if they don't have professional liability insurance and they've made a mistake in the design, their general liability insurance doesn't cover it. And so it's very important that you have a real deep understanding of how these things work, or consult with someone who does. So these are all, again, all information you could find publicly.